Hi, today I'm going to show you how to measure a dining room which will be panelled up to a dado height, and then on these pillars on either side we're going to panel up to the ceiling. The basic principles can be applied into any room at all. First of all, what we're going to do, we always start from right to left. So if we're going to start from this corner, we're going to come round there, come around this pillar, and then we're going to work round the room this way. So we start from right to left. First of all, we take the furthest point out on the line, which is going to be there. If you do it to the closest millimetre, that is fantastic, which is 630. So we measure the width first, 630, and then we measure the height up to the ceiling, which is 2470. We always measure in millimetres. Then we measure. So what we do, we'll go around the room, we'll call that wall alphabetical, A, B, C, D, E, F, and carry on alphabetically around the room. So we've measured A, we will now measure B, which is 180. The height will be the same. Measure the width again, which is 630. Now we're starting measuring the room, we need to do a floor plan. Now we don't need a work of art, it just needs to be very simple, as you can see from my drawing. I've done a plan of the room as if we're looking down on it. These are the pillars on either side, and then we're working around the room. Now we've measured A, B, C, and we've also measured D. On the side, I've just put alphabetical letter there, and then started inserting the measurements. So we've just measured D, which is, I can't remember, so I'll just try again, which is 270. 270. So we've inserted the measurement there. Now that is to the valve, so we need to draw the valve down there. And then, if we draw the other valve down, which is near the end of the window, there. I've done the window reveals, which the reveals are these, are there. So that gives an indication. Now we need to know the depth of those, because we've got a panel to a height of approximately 950 high. The panel is going to be coming to that height, so we are going to have to put some panelling going into the reveals up to the window. So what we are going to need, we're going to need that dimension there, which if we could just put it on the plan there, let's measure it and then insert it into the plan, which is 245. So now I've just inserted that measurement onto there, and then we're going to measure the window reveal. Now that is 175. So we've got that measurement there, which is going to be D. Now we need the height up to the window bottom, which, when we're drawing a radiator cabinet, I'll just put that on there. Just put two lines in between the two circles. That represents the valves, that represents the radiator. Now we need the height of the radiator, and also the depth and the width. So from what we do is put valve to valve. We need the height, and we need a depth. Can you stop it?